leg kick by low. Oh, Sakar gets it in the jewels.
Will have as much time as he needs to come back.
Oh man, he's hurt.
Using his range well.
Oh! Caught Matt inadvertently.
Sometimes that left kick will slide up the leg and hit you in the groin.
Big kick by Gonzaga. Took shirt, caught it. Took shirt. Oh,
Yeah, he caught
low.
Take a listen, Joe.
Oh! He's throwing up.
Yeah. This fight's going to be over.
Low kick and then a poke to go with it.
Double. Randy got poked in the eye.
This is a kick low and poked. There's the low kick and then a poke to go with it.
Double damage.
Sakara's got him down. First time he's been rocked in his MMA career. It is all over. There were multiple punches that ended up landing to the back of the head of Cote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That said that was square. GSP apologized immediately.
Wrestling. Find their way.
He got
hit in the balls.
He got hit, yeah. Oh, he's still going after.
He's out.
And he's trying.
This semi-final. Historically, Wutzer has let his opponent get up. My goodness me!
Oh my lord, did you see that, Steve?
I think I saw it.
I have never seen a parkour flip like that in a mixed martial arts
give me a name for that.
competition.
What is that called?
Oh my lord, look at this, a side front.
Akiyama really looking for those head kicks.
Oh, right to the big kick by Gonzaga. Took shirt, caught it. Took shirt. Oh,
Yeah, he caught it.
Oh, he took that one to the junk. If you look at Wesson's chest, he was beaten by Mike Kyle. I mean, that's just wrong. I mean, the guy takes a fight on short notice. He's obviously gassed. And I don't get it. Congratulations on your victory. Now, Wes Sims has a mark on his chest where it looks like you bit him. Why don't you explain that?
He's a dirty bastard anyways, come on. All the shit he's done.
Konimoto lands a big right hand, changes levels there, but Dutra stays upright.
Well, you could see 3 of those elbows clearly look to me to be the back of the head and illegal.
Gets up and shakes him.
That hurt.
Oh! No. Kick the down fighter.
That was not good.
That is not good. Oh, and now he's still fighting.
That was not good.
That was totally illegal. He's kicking him down fight.
You don't want to give away 2 rounds.
But Rich looks great.
Yeah.
That was a bad one. How many of these have you seen tonight?
Too many.
Shazam, son. The look on his face. What is he doing? What's going on there?
You think I have the answer?
I don't know, I'm just hoping we can keep this conversation going.
Do we want to?
I do.
Weather here's been great.
Big shots from Bisping.
Illegal knee.
Absolutely 100%.
2 knees down on the ground. Absolutely illegal. Yep. No doubt about it.
乗ってますね。あれだけの位置まで膝が来る。アリサまたこれ切っていくか。またドクターチェックとそしてイエローカードがアリスター・オフレーム。
Oh no. Accidental eye poke.
That was really bad. I see it. So common.
Are you letting him up? Axe kick, and that's in the groin, and time called.
してみればですね、この K1 ダイナマイトってどんどんいい選手が出てきてますから、ここでいい試合をしてですね、自分の存在価値を改めてですね、そうなんですね。
今中尾がキスの挑発をしていきなりヒーリングが殴ってしまいました。
Illegal act. I didn't touch him. I stood there. He tried to kiss me on the lips like a homosexual. I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
Top.
And again,
no, illegal knee.
That was Gilbert Ivory. You can hear that hit his cuff. Hit him right on the cuff.
Prindor can keep his hands clasped. There's good, doing a good job there of driving some knees into the thigh. He's got him up. Nope. Aldo grabbed the fence.
Brutal combo, master combo, ultra combo.
It's over. Kick. Unfortunately, knees were down. See, the one knee is down, and while that one knee is down, it is illegal to kick him in the head.
And there's that shot, boss. And you got the elbows to the back of the head. Bronco holding onto the ropes. Bronco holding onto the ropes, and Bronco going wild with strikes to the back of Kerr's head. There seems to be a little bit of pandemonium. Everything is at stake. And I think, see, he's elbows to the back of the head. That's not legal. That is not legal. And so Kerr is really getting rough. Uh-oh, he gets angry. Kerr got angry too because there was a flagrant There was a flagrant
population in attendance here tonight. Oh, swing and a miss. Turk's done in big trouble. Oh, he got poked. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, and he pulls right out. Oh, kick. Oh, no. Let's take a look what happened here. Look at this. Boom. No doubt about it. Right on the jaw.
His hands up. He's giving him no respect.
Oh! High kick lands. And that knocks him out. That's it. High kick from his back lands by Anderson Silva. My goodness, are you kidding me?
Loves to switch stances, Joe.
Yeah, Conley is
now the eye poke comes the way of Anthony Johnson.
Good jab by Koscheck.
They're going to say another, well, at least Johnson's going to say another poke.
Grabbing the ropes. Schreiber going an axe kick to the back of Matsui's head when he was down on all fours.
At 12-6, Joe. Oh, look at that. Vicious knee. Oh, he hit him with an illegal knee. Illegal knee to the face.
Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh,
bad eye poke.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Right in there. Right in the eye. That is nasty. Oh, man. His eye is bleeding. Oh, this fight's over, folks.
Michael Bisping. They trying to spin out, but he's free.
Oh, Daly on top.
Nicely done, Paul.
Oh, Daly knee. Illegal knee. No way. Oh, man. Definitely down. Oh, wait a minute. He didn't even hit him. Let's take a look at the replay. We might want to show this replay to Josh Koscheck. Josh Koscheck might want to take a look at that and stand up. What he's got to do is adjust his left leg over more. Turn to the side.
Oh! Daly punches Koscheck at the end of the fight.
That's what I'm talking about.
What a jump by Sims. Can't kick it down to opponent.
That's not legal.
Cannot kick it down to opponent.
He's blocking them.
Yep.
He's doing a good job.
Big elbows.
No, he can't do 12-6.
Now watch it again. Joe talked about it. The 12-6 is the illegal elbow.
Koscheck tries to duck under. Oh, no.
Need a downed opponent.
Clearly illegal. Oh, wait a minute.
Anthony Johnson.
Hold on a second. Let's look at that again. No. That knee did not hit that left eye.
He's got blurry vision as a result of the foul. I mean, he can't go on like that.
Time. Might have got poked in the eye there.
Burns' head is literally just straight up in the air.
He's using those push kicks well. Got caught in the eye, I guess, again. At least from his reaction, you would think he's been hit in the eye 3 times.
He's landed some nice shots.
Oh, my goodness! This fight, they're stopping the fight.